Welcome to Do It Yourself Always. Subscribe to my channel, press bell icon and select all notification options so you will get notified for my uploads and other updates. Hey everyone, Vaishali here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little crochet basket. For this you're going to need yarn and a crochet hook. So first we are going to make a magic ring knot here. For this, hold the tail of the yarn like this and then wrap the yarn around your 4 fingers like this. Then take your hook, crochet hook, and push it under first strand of yarn and grab the yarn back there like this. So this is how this magic knot will be made, and just make one single chain to secure the knot. We need to make another single chain, so here you have 2 single chains now. Now you need to make 12 double crochet into this ring. So this is how I'm making the double crochet. This is the first one. We are going to count this first double crochet as 1, then yarn over, another double crochet like this, pull through 2 stitches and then another 2 stitches. So this way you have now 2 double crochet. So make 12 double crochet into this ring. Now see the magic. This tail of the ring, we need to pull this tail like this, and here you have this circle now. Now make a slip stitch into the second single chain that we have made when we were starting the circle, and then again 2 single chains. So just beside this 2 single chains we need to make a double crochet. So here's the double crochet. Now in second stitch we will make 2 double crochets. This is the one, and then in the same stitch second double crochet. So this way make 2 double crochet in all the stitches. Once the circle is complete, you need to make a slip stitch in the second single chain like this, and then here as you see the back side stitch. So we are going to use these back side stitches for this circle. So first make 2 single chains and then make a double crochet in all the chains, back side chains. So you see this back side stitch, make a double crochet, pull through 2 stitches, then another 2. This is the first double crochet. Then in second back side stitch make another double crochet. So here as you can see that the circle, the 2 circles that we have made was the base of the basket. Now the structure starts to rise. So this is how I have completed this circle too, and it has taken the shape of a basket. So now we need to make a slip stitch here, the second single chain like this. To give a complete look of basket, we need to make another round on this. So make another 2 single chains and then again double crochet in all the back side stitches. So I completed this circle, and now we need to make a slip stitch here again in the second single chain. So the base of the basket is now ready, and now we need to make a handle for this. So I'm going to make 20 single chains, and this is up to you how long you want the handle. So I think the 20 single chains are okay. So here it is, 20 single chains. If you are okay with the width of this handle, here you can close it, but I'm going to make little thicker. So here I'm making half double crochet in all the single chains of this handle. Here you just need to make a slip stitch to join this part. This is how I'm making a slip stitch. Now pull this knot, this loop, cut the yarn and pass this tail of the yarn through this loop. So this is how I have closed this knot. Wherever you see the extra yarn, just pull it inside and then cut it. Here we are going to attach this second end of the handle. So for this I'm first attaching a piece of yarn here like this, and then just make a slip stitch kind of knot here. Instead of cutting this extra yarn, I just thought to make a bow knot here, so this will look nice on this basket. Just cut the extra long yarn. And here is your mini crochet basket for Easter is ready. You can put small egg chocolates here in this basket and it's going to look so cute. I made this another cute basket using different color of yarn. So here I have used two colors, white and yellow, and this yarn is little thinner than the previous one, so as you can see it looks a little different, but the procedure is same. So these cute baskets, crochet baskets, can be used in decoration, and you can put some small egg chocolates in it and gift it. here you see these beautiful Easter eggs. I decorated these eggs last year. So if you want to learn how I made these eggs, just click the link in description box. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish you all a very happy Easter. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and do comment me your feedbacks. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.